What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Risky Ryan Trades. Today we're going to go over some stock market news, and the big news is that during his testimony, Jerome Powell said some dovish things. So let's dig into it. The main thing, Fed won't wait to cut interest rates until inflation rate hits 2%. It says right here, you don't want to wait until inflation gets all the way down to 2%. If you waited that long, you probably waited too long because inflation will be moving downward and can go well below 2%. The current 12-month rate of inflation is 3.1%, and the last few reports, it was a little choppy, but the last one looks like we're going in the right direction. And Powell also said that the neutral interest rate has moved up. And so, they originally had a neutral rate of 2.5% after the pandemic. They raised that to 2.8%. So, the next Fed meeting, I believe it's in September. When is the next Fed meeting? One sec, let me check it. The next meeting is in late July this month. Now, the probabilities are that they aren't going to lower interest rates at the end of the month. However, after these comments, the market clearly believes that if it's not in July, we'll get them in September, which means that some of the rate-sensitive stocks, like financials, like SoFi, maybe even PayPal and Square, some of the fintech stocks, as well as growth stocks, like in the Russell 2000, you might see them start to trade up in anticipation of that rate cut announcement. So this is excellent news. He poured some gasoline on the fire that is the stock market. This is welcomed information. Also, Costco, membership fees for individuals to rise by $5. So, let's see here. Gave the investing world what it wanted. So, I don't know if you know this, but Costco makes almost no money from the goods that it sells. It relies mainly on membership fees to fuel its revenue. It's like a subscription service, which is highly profitable for companies like Netflix, Microsoft, etc. We see here that it will push Costco's annual fee $5 higher to $65 for its standard membership, and for executive membership, it's going to raise by $10. And we saw today that, let's just go here. After the announcement, they beat their monthly target of $22 billion by about $2 billion. They reported about $24 billion in revenue for the month. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. One sec. Okay, so Costco, this is Costco's chart. You can see that today we closed at $884. However, news came out right after market close, and it sent the stock up to $925, and right now, post-market is sitting at about $905. So this could be the catalyst needed for Costco to push over this 925 Gann level and into the arc. And we don't have earnings for another couple months, so this is what it needed to keep the train rolling. We're comfortably within this fib channel right here now, and we'll be keeping our eye on the 925 level. If we can push into the arc, we're going to have some excellent support. So if you haven't entered Costco, like you're like, oh, this is so expensive, but you keep watching it go up and you're like kicking yourself, I would maybe wait at this point to get over 925 and confirm above the arc. I'll be keeping a close eye on this, and you'll see at the end of this video there's some suggested videos. You can go into my channel. I do follow Costco along with the Magnificent Seven on my updates, but yeah, I wanted to relay some of this news to you guys because this was the big news today in the stock market. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. Wanted to keep it short and simple for you guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you've liked a few of my videos and you haven't hit the like button, hit it twice. Watch another video and hit the like button there, and hit subscribe. Trying to get up the subscriber count. Thank you so much. Risky Ryan out.